I will kill you. I will kill you myself. I will kill you myself. I will kill you. Eh? You want to become the stubborn fly that follows the corpse into the grave? Or do we need to bring in a town crier before you understand that going about with that boy will bring nothing but destruction to you? Eh? Papa, but you're the cause of all this. If you had allowed me to take her to the city to continue her education, she wouldn't have been going around the whole village bringing shame to us by following that drifter called Okoronta. My son, you can't blame me. You can't blame me. I had thought that by staying back in the village with me, she will fill the vacuum in my heart created by the death of a mother. Eh? We have to deal with this girl squarely before she can understand that going about with Okoronta will bring nothing but destruction on you. Oh. Papa, that's not good enough. I mean, what haven't we done? What have we not applied? Anyway, just to inform you that as soon as she finishes this exam, I'm taking her to the city with me. And that is what we need to do. Let's go.
Hey, stop here.
What is it? Stop here. What is it?
Shut up. Did you get my letter?
Come here.
Oh, I'm talking to you and you're walking out.
Chejina, leave me alone. It's not my fault to be your girlfriend, though.
Shut up, you stubborn girl. Every time we fleeing on top of the whole world. Do you think you are the most beautiful girl in our school?
Chejina, Udoka, you should leave me. I have a boyfriend, don't leave me.
Boyfriend my foot. Who else if not that wretched Okoronta of yours? I'll slap you.
Chejina, why are you wasting time? Let's teach her a lesson.
Leave me alone. What is it? What did you do there?
It's Chejina.
What did she do to you people? What did she do to you people? It's none of your business, my friend. Come on, get out!
Listen, it's my business. I want to know what she has done. Mr. Man, I advise you to stay clear. You woman rapper.
Hey! Udoka! You dare insult me without your dirty mouth!
Shut up,
Mr. Man! Hey! We will insult you and insult you again. By the way, what do you think you can do? You, junior student! Me!
You're a woman rapper.
Me!
Yes.
Get it! Get it! What is it? What? Udoka!
Hey!
Oh! You've killed him! You've killed him!
Udoka!
What happened? Udoka! Udoka! What?
Look, I never brought you up to be a troublemaker, let alone a murderer. Now see what she has cost us.
Mama, I fought for the love I feel for Olama. I couldn't stand and watch somebody harm her.
Stupid love. Such love can only bring anguish and sorrow. Anyway, what we should be concerned with is how to face the Waziri case at the meeting summoned by the elders over the death of their son, Udoka. Okay?
It's so painful. I did not kill Udoka intentionally, Mama. I didn't kill him intentionally.
No, I can't take it. I can't, there's no way I'm going to take this. No.
Wazirike, calm down. It has happened. The best we could do now is to find a way to resolve this issue.
There is no resolution on this matter. Do you people realize that Udoka was my only son?
Yes.
Oh God. I must ensure that Felicia and her son pays for this.
Patient Wazirike, try and be a man. I think what we have to do is to accept it as a fate and look for a way out.
Wazirike, take it easy. We all understand your plight. And yet, you can see that what they're saying is right. So take it easy.
Wazirike, what do you want to do on this matter? We have all seen how Felicia and her son have been apologizing on this matter. What is your opinion?
I don't have to say anything. But I want to assure you that Okoronta can never go free for murdering my son. In fact, leaving this meeting, let me have it my own way.
Wazirike, come back.
I feel guilty making you go through this hell. I could feel your fears and the tears in your heart. I can feel your agony. I have to go and tell them the truth. I have to tell them I'm guilty of the crime. You don't have to lie just to save me. You're endangering your life.
Please, do not tell anyone the truth. Let it be between you and I. Anyway, nobody will believe you. Chejin already told the Yada's council that I'm responsible. You did it to save my life. Let it be my own price.
The price is too much for anyone to pay. Okoronta, it's my mistake. Let me bear the cross.
It's not your fault. Don't blame it on ourselves, not the love we share. Let's just say it's fate. My only fear is that the Wazirikes do not want this matter to be settled amicably. I wonder why they want me to go through hell over this matter. Well, no matter how stormy the end may be, let this be my own. Let it just be a persecution of love. It's my persecution for loving you.
You have a golden heart, my love. I want to assure you that no matter what comes out of this, I will be with you all the way, till the end.
I must be leaving now. My mother went to the Waziri case to solicit on my behalf. Let me go and see what fate has for me. I truly love you.
Why me? Why my son?
I know it's not successful. It's alright, Mama. I've made up my mind to carry my cross. It's my fate, I have to bear it. I just want to implore you to cheer up, be of good courage, Let me pay for the consequences of my offense.
Cheer up. Cheer up. They're threatening you. They're threatening to take it to the police. Even to court. What are we going to do? What is going to be my fate? What will I do without you? What am I going to do?
Mama, at least for now, the police are not here. Huh? I'm still with you. I'm safe. Calm down.
Which bridge? Which bridge? Which bridge am I crossing? Which bridge am I crossing, my son?
Mama.
What am I?
Officer, this is the murderer.
Mr. Wazurike.
You're under arrest.
Mr. Wazurike, can't we settle this thing amicably?
Your hand. No amount of tears can make me consent to a man who murdered my son. This is just the beginning of your plight.
Please take me and leave my son.
Officer, let's go. Now, move.
Take him and leave me.
I say move.
Officer, let him take me.
Move.
Please, 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 please. Move.
Leave my son.
Come on, move.
Officer, leave my son for me. Take me and leave my son. Take me and leave my son.
Please, Papa. Brother. Look into my eyes and see the bitterness in my heart. Papa, please do something. And get him out of police custody, please.
Tears of affliction can affect the heart and weaken the soul. But yours is tears of illusion. I wish they can make me change my mind, but no. He brought these things on himself and has to take the consequences.
Papa, I brought it upon him, your daughter. I'm the cause of what he's going through now, Papa. Please do something, please.
No. Olamu, there's something you need to understand. And that is the fact that you did not invite him to come and fight for you. Moreover, the case that he's standing in for is a case of murder. There is absolutely nothing anyone can do to stop the full weight of the law. So my advice for you is to put him behind you and move ahead. Please.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Papa. Now I know the kind of brother and father I have. Thank you for showing so much wickedness to a man that saved your own daughter from being raped by some stupid fools. Thank you.
Come back here. Ola, come back here.
Can you imagine?
I'm sorry.
This is my judgment following the cross-examination of the prosecuting and defense counsels. I hereby find the accused person, Mr. Koronta Okereke, guilty as charged, and he is hereby sentenced to 2 years imprisonment with hard labor.
I'm going to meet Mr. Dama on a scheduled appointment. So try and stay at home while I go and come back.
Papa?
Yes?
I have good news for you.
Yeah.
Yes, Papa.
Good news. What is the good news?
Okoronta has been sentenced to prison. I hope you're happy now.
How dare you talk to me like this?
Papa, can you see how troubled your heart is just to hear the truth? You don't even have a single affection for the man who is paying a huge sacrifice for your daughter.
Olam, Never again will this matter be discussed under this roof. I hope my message is clear.
Mama, good day. Mama, please. Mama, I know you're angry with me over Okoronta's condition. If I were in your shoes, I'll do the same. I just wish all this never happened. My heart is full of regrets, and it will keep haunting me until the day he's released. I am guilty of what he's going through now. I'm also guilty of the tears on your face. Please, Mama, find it in your heart to forgive me. I beg for your forgiveness.
There's absolutely nothing anybody can do about it. Nothing. I'm just praying to God to give him the strength to carry on, to complete his jail terms. That's all.
Please stop crying. Everything will be alright. Thank you for forgiving me. Please eat your food. My love, I can feel the pain in your heart, even though I'm not there. I can see the tears in your eyes, but it's so painful I'm not there to wipe them away from your face. I wish I have more to offer, but sad enough, all I've got is nothing but these little sad words. I hope they will comfort you and give you the courage to carry on. I miss you. Every time I breathe, my heart longs for you. My hands long to hold you. I want you to know I'll always love you And I hope the anxiety besieging you won't make you forget the love we shared. I hope the good times we had together will be a source of strength to you. I have 1,000 words to say to you, but these few words are all like an offer for now. No matter the situation, always know I love you and will always be yours. From Olama, your jewel.
You are the jewel of my heart. Jewel of my heart. You are the apple of my eye.
Do you like the dress?
I like it. It's beautiful.
Well, I'm happy you find it appealing.
You know, what amazes me is your sense of taste. It's nice.
The beauty is breathtaking. So also is your virtue. You deserve the best.
But not to the detriment of your welfare.
How do you mean?
You can't continue to give me gifts like this when you and your mother barely have enough to live on. The money you use in buying gifts for me, you can use it to contribute to your welfare.
Yeah, I understand you perfectly well. But no gift is too much a sacrifice for you, my jewel. I mean, you deserve the best. I and my mother have a little to take us for the while.
You may have enough, but you and I know you don't have any meaningful job now, so I don't expect gifts from you.
You have a wonderful heart, my jewel.
Oh, I want to go now.
You mean more to me than the air I breathe. You are my heart, my love, my life. You are the jewel of my heart. Jewel of my heart. You are the apple of. You are my heart, my love, my life. You are the jewel of my
heart. Hola.
Good day, Simon.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, it's good to see that you're doing great, eh? Thank you. How about your parents?
It's fine.
Okay, my regards to them, eh? Bye-bye.
Simon, huh? I was wondering if you've seen Okoronta lately, because it's been quite some time I saw him.
I saw him last week, yes, last week.
How is he faring?
My dear, we just thank God that his jet time will soon be over.
I can't wait to see him.
Same here. Huh? My regards to your family, eh?
Okay.
Good one for me, eh?
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye, eh?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
No. You don't know how much I missed you. Hey. I wonder how you were able to cope in my absence.
It's unimaginable, my dear.
Well, that is in the past now. The beautiful thing is that I'm back to take care of you. I missed you.
No.
Thank you, Mama.
Okoronta.
Mama.
Nah, your food is ready. It's served.
Mama, I'll eat, but first I need to rush to somewhere very important.
Important?
Yes.
Eh? But you just got back now. What could be more important than eating my food? the food I cooked for you and resting. Huh? We have a lot to discuss now.
Mama,
we have a lot to talk about.
I understand all that. But when I say something is important, it's important. Please.
What could be more important for heaven's sake than eating your mother's food?
You won't understand, Mama. But I assure you I'll be back soon, Mama. I'll be back soon.
Be careful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Once again, my son, you're welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
You see, we all try to help out in your case. But all the efforts we made came to nothing.
Thank you very much, sir. The good thing is that I'm out now and it's all over. I want to thank you once again, sir, for your efforts.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I should be leaving now, sir. You know, I just got back and my mother she'll be expecting me.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Papa, let me see you more.
The thought of you was my source of strength all through my incarceration. That was why I had to run to see you as soon as I came out.
I feel alive again. A feeling that was gone when you were not around.
Now I'm back to you. Never to leave again. Now our feelings, our passion can burn forever.
I feel so... At a point I was scared your stay in prison was going to affect your feelings for me.
Nothing can. Nothing can. Mama, are you not tired walking? You've been walking all through the day.
Good day, ma.
Good day.
Whatever. You're welcome.
Your mother.
What about my mother?
She's displeased.
Oh, you mean that? Maybe she's not happy I left her to do all the house job alone. And she's like, don't bother. Don't let her worry you, okay? Come, let's go. Come.
Okoronta.
Mama.
Look, there is no moral justification whatsoever for you to continue with that relationship.
Mama, there is. There is, Mama. It's called love. I love Olama from the depths of my heart, and nothing can change that.
For heaven's sake, why have you decided to engulf your mind with this illusion you call love? Eh?
Mama, I am old enough to understand my feelings. I can read my heart. And I want you to understand that what I feel for Olama is not illusion. I love her, Mama. I love her from the depths of my heart, and nothing can ever take that away. Mama, it's the strongest feeling I've ever had. It's been there even before you conceived me, Mama. It's true love.
Look, my dear, I understand love. I understood it before you were born. But what I'm saying is that This path you are treading is a dangerous one. It will do you no good. It is not about you, nor is it about Olamma. It is about the situation surrounding the relationship. These people hate you. They hate your breath, for heaven's sake. The man hates you. Can't you understand that? Look, he will do anything whatsoever to sever that relationship with that girl. He's dangerous.
Mama.
He's dangerous.
Mama.
That's all I'm saying.
Yes, Mama. But remember you taught me that true love embraces trials. And the ability to conquer lies within the power of love. I'm ready to put that lesson into practice now. I'm ready to go all the way to fight this battle, no matter what it takes. And I know the power of love will see me through.
See where the first battle led you? Is it when it leads you to your early grave? Is that when you're going to learn your lesson? I don't want to lose you. Your mother does not want to do you. I'm begging you.
Mama, please.
I don't want
Have I not always made you proud? I promise this time around, I'll make you proud, okay? Sorry, Mama. Just let me be.
I'm expecting your messages as you promised.
It's alright, Papa. I will endeavor to send them across as soon as I get to the city.
Okay.
Papa, where is Olamma?
She went to the stream to get some water.
Papa, she has lied again. I am definitely sure she's with Okoronta right now.
No, I don't think so.
Papa, I think so. Whilst I was coming back the other day, I saw both of them holding hands at the K marketplace. And just some few days back, I saw him walk her into this compound. Papa, and all this has just been happening within this period that I've been around. Papa, I think that if we don't put a stop to that union now, that girl will bring nothing but shame to this family.
I think so. They must be stopped. They must be stopped.
Papa, that boy has not even learnt a lesson. I think I need to teach him one myself. What nonsense.
Control yourself. You're going on a long journey, so please get on. I will handle him.
Okay.
Yes. Don't you know who your father is?
Okay. Well, if you insist. Let me just reserve my phone.
What is this? What is this?
Nai, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Will you get out of this compound?
Imenike, what is it?
I said get out!
What did I do?
Okay, you're still here.
What did you do?
Hi! What? Can you imagine this? Can you imagine what we're just discussing now? Hi!
Oh God, my son.
You! You, Opaki! You! Don't worry. Get inside. Inside the house.
You listen to me. If you don't desist from that reckless relationship with Okoronta, you will cease to be my daughter. Yes.
Papa, I'm willing to face whatever challenges ahead of me. I'll follow my heart. Can't you see Okoronta as my future partner?
I see nothing but a future full of anguish and pains if you don't listen to me. There are lots of things about life which you don't understand. You're only a child. If you listen to me, I will now tell you something which will shock you.
Are you listening?
Yes, Papa.
Good. Your mother was very, very sick. I spent everything I had to make sure that she survived because I loved her so much. When the illness became more serious, I had to transfer her to the community hospital where Koronta's father was a very senior staff. In fact, a very senior staff of influence. The hospital wanted a huge amount of money far beyond my reach in order to carry out the operation. I pleaded and begged. I turned to Koronta's father. Even as I carried your mother in my hands, I was begging in tears. I was shocked he turned his back on me. Eventually, your mother died without getting the operation that she needed for her survival. I couldn't understand it all. I was very, very, very angry. Koronta's father, my friend, I said, okay. We buried your mother. And I made up my mind to keep my family and his family apart. Before long, he died from mysterious means. Can you now see why I don't want to see Koronta? Let the family stay apart. Whenever I remember my mother, I get so sick.
Papa, whatever happened was between you and Koronta's father, not Koronta and the mother. They didn't do anything to you.
No. It's not true. It's not true. The sins of the father visits the children and the children's children.
Papa, that is a very old traditional belief. Moreover, what has everything got to do with my love with Okoro?
Everything. Your mother would have been alive today. You better wake up and face the fact for the good of all of us.
Ichionama, this is our second visit on this particular mission, and yet we have not been opportune to see the supposed apple of my son's eye. Huh? May I ask if we are welcomed to be your daughter's husband?
Nze, I welcome you to my house.
Thank you, Chia.
Even a blind man could see the kind of joy and excitement in my heart over the purpose of your visit. Unfortunately, my daughter has not been at home on those occasions to welcome you. But I want to assure you that by the next visit, she will be at home to welcome you. I apologize.
Thank you, Chia. I hope you keep your promise, Ichio.
Of course, yes.
I've heard you, my fathers. I have come to realize that in this life, nothing good comes easy. But no matter how long it takes, I'll be the patient dog that eats the fattest bone at last. Thank you, my father.
Oh my God. Okay. I think I love your confidence.
Thank you, Papa.
Papa, don't mind Edward. Edward has always been a confident and determined young man. Yes. And that is why whatever he sets his mind at getting, once he's convinced that it is right, he will always get it. Yes. And I'm sure that is the same principle he applies to business that makes me a very successful businessman.
No, MNK, we are not in the city now.
No, but that's the truth.
No, let's keep business discussion aside.
Okay,
we'll get back to talk about it. Thank you, Papa.
Both of you are funny.
Yes. Ichie, gentlemen, I believe we have reached a compromise.
Yes.
I'm so happy to have Nze's family as our in-laws. Nze is a very good man. Yes. And so is Edward to the son. As a matter of fact, his financial assistant to me saved my business from bankruptcy.
Ah.
Yes. Edward is more than a friend to me. He's like a brother. It's just that I would have wanted Olamma to finish her university education before getting married. But anyway, I trust Edward will see her through her education.
But what is bothering me is Olamma's attitude to him. Olamma doesn't seem to like the man a bit.
Anyway, what do we expect when the only thing she does is to roam around the whole village with that idiot called Okoronta? And the boy keep confusing her. But Papa, not to worry, Papa. Her marriage to Edward is just in the next 2 weeks. And I'm sure she'll definitely marry her. She doesn't have a choice.
That boy Okoronta has caused a lot of damages in my household. And if he doesn't stop, I swear I will pour venom on him, full strength.
I trust you, Papa. But not to worry, your son is capable. Leave it to me.
It's alright, if you say so.
I have said this several times, I'm not going to marry him. I will marry Okoronta, he's the one I want to marry.
Shut up completely! What do you know about love? Is it wandering around the whole town with a vagabond who cannot even feed himself? Huh? Is that what we call love?
Olamma, I've seen that your insanity has gotten to the level where it needs a cure. Eh? What is even the matter with you? When you know your marriage introduction is just 2 weeks away. Eh? Let me warn you, I don't want that guy's name to be
That is the point. Why will you fix a marriage introduction without my consent?
What do you know about marriage? Whatever we do is for your own good.
Which good?
What is your problem, sir? I have no choice.
The problem, the two of you are my problem. The two of you are my problem. Let me marry Okoronta. How will you force me to marry who I don't want to love?
You will not marry him. You won't marry him. Nonsense. What will happen there?
Insisting I marry him. They fixed a date for the marriage introduction. I'm afraid.
And do you wish to marry him?
Okoronta, it is you my heart longs for. My soul, my body, everything longs for you. It is you I want.
Then we must bind our love together and fortify our spirits to face the battle ahead of us. Excuse me. Give me your hands.
What?
Your hands.
What?
We have to make an oath.
Blood oath?
Papa, you need not worry at all. You see, Olamma is my younger sister. And you know I watched her grow up. So I know her more than she knows herself. Don't worry. Before I go back to the city, I promise you I will convince her.
I've heard you, my son. But I am getting worried. Ever since you started relating with that boy, I've been behaving like somebody who has lost sanity.
Papa, insanity has a cure. Like I said, leave it to me. I will handle it. Let's just go and relax. Go and sleep. Huh?
It's alright if you say so. It's okay. Shall we go to bed now?
We are most grateful for your warm reception, Ichionoma. Indeed, it is an assurance that we are welcomed in this family. may we seek the honor of seeing our wife to be.
Thank you, my in-laws.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chair.
I feel very happy because this event marks the beginning of greater things to come between us. Memenike, don't call Olama. My lords, I'm coming. Let's go.
They'll be searching everywhere for me now. And I'm afraid they'll harm you if they find us.
There's no need to be afraid, my jewel. We have to be strong now. We already started the battle. So we need to fight to the end. See, do you realize the implication of what you have done? So we have to be strong.
All my life I have lived to love and respect my father and my brother. I did everything for them. But this I won't do. Because my love for you is stronger. And I will fight for love.
Give me your hands. I'll fight for you. Come, let's go.
Where's Olama and Okoronta?
I haven't seen Olama in a long time. And the Okoronta went away. Is there anything?
You're lying, let's search this.
I'm not lying. I'm the only one in the house. Oh. I'm the only one here now. What is the problem?
How dare you lay a finger on my mother?
So, and if I do?
That you have pushed! Right! Take care of this idiot! Take care of him! Deal with him! Mama, look at my face.
Don't let it get too cold. Don't.
No, wait. Mama, wait.
Sorry. Which leg? Huh?
This one. Mama, take it easy.
I will.
It's here.
I guess this should be okay for the night.
No one. Sorry.
You will just eat and sleep. Oh?
Thank you very much, Mama. I'm sorry for making you go through all this trouble. I don't know why things are turning out this way for us. Why has fate turned its back on us, Mama? If I were rich, would Eminike ever have the impetus to do all what he's been doing to me?
Don't blame your tragedy on faith and poverty. It is your stubbornness and foolishness. Look, I've warned you time without number to stay away from that girl. But you will not listen to me. So just like pouring water on stone. Like going to the river to fetch water with basket. When it enters through this ear, it goes away through the other one. Look, you were a very obedient child. But on this girl's issue, you refuse to see reason with me. Now see what your stubbornness earned you. Look at it.
They might have succeeded now because I'm poor. But I know one day my God will lift me. My enemies will be ashamed. They'll look in my face for favor.
I like your guts, my dear. Just like your late father. My late husband. Yes. He was a good man and things were going well for us until he lost his job and things became very rough. As if that was not enough. The cold hands of death snatched him away from us. Chai. Onuma, I have a strong feeling that Onuma had a hand in his death.
Mama.
Yes. The feeling is very strong in me. That man is evil. He's evil. Good morning.
Keep your pleasantries, woman. You don't need a soothsayer to tell you that there is absolutely nothing good in my mission now.
So what is the problem this morning?
Your son. That's your useless and reckless son. Warn him. If he dares me again, I will tell him I'm the hurricane that uproots the Iroko tree.
So what has my son done to you this time that you're using such hard language on him?
You pretend not to know. You pretend not to know. And my way have concluded plans to disgrace my family before my in-laws.
Me?
Withdraw your son from my daughter. Or else he will join his late father. Yes, water and fire have nothing in common. A stubborn fly follows the corpse into the grave.
Hey!
You are warned. You are warned. Papa? Oh, my son. You are still awake?
Yes. I came so we can talk about Olama's problem. You see, I've been thinking since the marriage engagement has been terminated, it would be nice for me to take Olama with me to the city, thereby separating her from Okoronta. And I'm sure with that she will begin to reason well.
I think you're right, my son. You are right. In fact, I was thinking on the same line of your own thoughts. But what is bothering me is this. Why is Olama behaving like this?
I wish I know. So strange. Anyway, Papa, let's go and sleep, okay? Let's go to bed.
Okay, my son. All right.
Okay, after you, sir.
Olama, go inside, pack your things, all your belongings. You're leaving to the city with me now.
Brother, why? I don't understand.
There is no but.
This matter has been decided. Hurry, because the journey is a long one.
Papa, why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me before deciding now?
Shut up, you don't have any choice. Go in now, pack all your things, and we're leaving immediately.
Me, I don't want to go to the city.
So that you can stay back and wander about with that hooligan. With that vagabond, is it?
Papa, me, I don't want to go anywhere.
You have to go. Listen, don't get me upset. Get in now, take your things.
I don't want to get
I said inside.
I don't want to get
Do you love him? Do you love him?
Who?
Okoronta.
He's the only man that lives in my heart.
I can understand how you feel. But I want you to understand too what I am, Father, has been trying to fight for you for. Is to secure a bright future for you. And equally for you to understand that this thing you call love is just a figment of your imagination that grows into feelings and subsequently turns you round and around until it leads you to destruction. We want you to know that you need a man that is solid, a man that is financially capable to love you, and that I do not see in Okoronta, but rather in a man like Edward, who is rich, he's generous. Above all, I think he loves you.
I don't love him. If there's anything I understand about love, is love is kind, love is humble, love is persevering. It's a beautiful thing, and it's certainly not Edward. If you truly love me, let me go where my heart lies. My happiness lies with Okoronta.
I see. I can see. But you must know this. Henceforth, you're not leaving this house. And you're not allowed any communication with home. And you're not allowed to leave this house until I say so. Because I see that's the only way that you can come back to your sense. If you'll excuse me.
You are the jewel of my heart. Jewel of my heart. You are the apple of my eye. Apple of my you mean more to me than the air I breathe. You are my heart, my love, my life.
How long will you continue like this, eh? You hardly eat, and you don't even sleep at night any longer. What is the matter with you? Eh?
Mama, I've told you I'm okay.
Okay. You, okay. Yeah. You're not okay. Why are you punishing yourself? Tell me. Why?
Mama, I'll be just fine. I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You're not fine, no. I'm sure it has to do with Olama's absence from this village. I've told you to put this girl behind you and carry on with your life.
I've heard you, Mama. I just want to be left alone.
You want to be left alone? I've said my own.
Why did you ever leave me?
You are the jewel of my heart. Jewel of my heart. You are the
Start injection in 10 minutes.
Nurse, monitor the patient, okay?
Okay, sir.
Doctor, please. How is she?
Are you related to her?
Well, yes, we We are related.
Okay. It's just that she has severe external and internal injuries. But we're trying our best.
No, doctor, please, just do anything and everything you can to save her life, please.
We're trying our best.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
But good you're here. So let's go down to my office for proper documentation on the bill.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, all right.
Nurse, take care of her.
Okay, sir.
Good day, Dad.
I called your number all day. What happened?
Dad, I had a terrible day.
What happened?
Dad, I knocked down a young girl with my car.
Oh my God.
And she collapsed on the spot.
What happened? Where is she?
Well, I rushed her to the hospital and she has started receiving treatment, but the doctor said her condition is quite bad.
Well, you did well, taking her to the hospital. Well, thank God she didn't die. What about her relations? Have they been contacted?
That's actually the problem, that there was no trace of identification on her. Except for a photograph of a young man I found with her. I even had to lie to the doctor that I'm her relative so she could get treatment.
Well, the one good thing is that she is receiving treatment. We don't want any trouble. You must be exhausted.
Oh, Dad, I'm fagged out.
Come. I'm freshen up and let's have dinner. It's getting cold.
Hola. Hola, ma. There's she now. Hola. Hola, ma. Hola, ma. So you left this house for that vagabond? We shall see. My son, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Papa.
I hope all is well.
Papa, where's Olama?
What? I should be the one to ask you.
Oh, God. Papa, can you believe it? Olama sneaked out of my house for the past 2 days. I even found out that she left with some of her belongings. I am positive it's her plans with that idiot called Okoronta.
Shay! Okoronta.
But Papa, I promise this time around, I'll teach that boy a lesson he will never forget.
Okoronta should be arrested.
Exactly.
Wait for me. I'm coming.
My sister will always say, that the husband will say, I need you every hour. I need your patience. He cannot do quick.
Oh, man, I don't have time to laugh now. Mama, let me go and see Nai Ango. He hasn't paid me for the work I did in his farm.
Please, come back on time, oh?
Okay, I'll show you. No. No, welcome, sir.
Where is my sister?
I don't understand you.
Is there any problem? Any problem?
You pretend not to know. Both of you miscreants.
No, man. I will not have you come into my compound and insult my mother and I. Okay. I will not.
I say, where is my sister?
Is he your sister's keeper? Tell me, eh? Haven't you and your wicked father done enough harm to my son? Or do you want to kill him? Or do you want to kill my son for me before you rest?
Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue, woman.
Ha! I say, where is my sister or hell? Or what? Eminike, you're just a dead rat.
Mama, exactly.
You know, you can do nothing. Ah. Okay. Officer, that's the kidnapper. Arrest him.
Hey.
Young man, you are under arrest for the disappearance of one Miss Olama Onoma.
Me?
I'm sorry you're coming with us.
Officer.
Cuff him.
My son is innocent. Officer. My son is innocent. Officer. My son has not done anything bad. Officer, please.
Madam, it's okay.
Emenike, I've seen the hell you want to let loose.
This is just the beginning.
Wait for mine.
Move it.
Officer, he hasn't done anything. Oh my God.
Madam, you'll be fine. Don't worry.
So why are you?
Mr. Koronta.
Officer.
I am asking you for the last time. Tell me where you are hiding this missing girl.
Honestly, officer, I've told you the truth. The honest truth. I don't know her whereabouts. And God can bear me witness.
You are leaving me with no other option than to follow you the hard way.
Oh my God.
And I'm sure you won't like it. Corporal, go and plug the boiling ring for me.
Yes, sir. Oh, well, it's my destiny because I don't know about this, officer. Believe me. Now, if you go torture me and you find out that I didn't do it, what becomes of your conscience? I don't know about this girl, and God knows I don't know about it. I'm begging you, for my mother's sake, please, have mercy on me.
Who?
I didn't do it.
Yeah, I'm afraid her condition appears to be a little more complicated than it was in the beginning. She received severe shock that might lead to amnesia.
Amnesia?
Yeah. If you understand what I'm saying, amnesia is a state of absent-mindedness, loss of memory, and...
yeah, Doctor, I have an idea of what you're talking about.
Oh, good.
Actually, psychology is one of the courses I studied in the university, so I have an idea of what you're talking about.
Good.
But, Doctor, what is her fate?
Honestly, I cannot predict the end result for now. But my medical knowledge tells me that she has a very little chance of escaping it.
Doctor, please do anything and everything you can to save her life. Please.
We'll try our best. One more thing, Mr. William. While going through her file, I discovered that the column for identification is left blank, not completed. May I know your reason, sir?
Well, Doctor, I'm not related to her.
Serious?
Yes. I lied to you so you could commence treatment immediately. The truth is, My car knocked her down on the road. So I brought her here for treatment.
Have you been able to locate her people?
No. No, that is actually the problem. There's no trace of identification on her, except for the photograph you gave me, which for now is not very useful.
Alright. I must commend you for your benevolence. You are truly an exemplary citizen. I mean, seeing the way you've been running around, taking care of her, making sure she's comfortable. God will surely reward you.
Thank you, Doctor.
And one more thing, by word of advice. After this time out, I suggest you use a picture and place it in the media. Maybe that could help to attract her people so that you know what to do from there.
Alright, I'll do just that. I'll do that.
Good. We'll try our best, no problem. One more thing, go to the accounts department and pick up the bill.
Doctor, just before I leave, I want to commend you and also thank you for all your assistance. You've been wonderful. Thank you so much, Doctor. I'll keep in touch.
Just take care of her.
So, officer, has he confessed now?
Not yet. But I assure you, by the time we are through with him, he will have no other choice than to confess. We are used to criminals like him. He just left the torture room right now, back to the cell.
God, my sister.
Oh, come on, it's okay. Don't worry. We're doing our best.
Okay. In that case, I have to leave now.
No problem. I promise you one thing. By your next visit, I'll show you something positive. All right, take care. All right.
How was your day, sir? Hectic, I suppose.
Certainly. Certainly.
How do you cope with your office work and this constant visit to the hospital? You must be well stressed.
Well, I don't have a choice there. It's a cross I have to bear, so there isn't really much I can do.
Well, I hope she recovers soon enough, so that this stress can be eased.
Oh, you know, on the contrary, then I enjoy doing this.
Really?
I don't know. It hurts me each time I remember that Mom died and leaving me without a sibling. I mean, it has made me develop some sort of affection for a woman, and I feel no less for that poor girl. I mean, Dad, imagine if she was actually my younger sister. Dad, I wish I had one. Really, I just wish I could see Mom right now and just hold her in my arms now that I'm a man, and I don't know.
If wishes were horses, son, you know, let's put the past behind us and forge ahead with life. That is why I want you to get married soon.
Yeah. I know that, but I've not seen any woman I love.
Princess, isn't she beautiful?
Oh, please. Daddy, please. I mean, you of all people should know that there is more to a wife than just beauty. I don't love her.
Both of you were very close when you were younger.
Daddy, that was then. Right now we are adults. It's a different ball game. I don't love her.
I see. Well, this girl, have you been able to contact her family?
I wish I had. Honestly, I wish I had. It's been over 3 weeks. I published a photograph in the media. No positive results.
Well, let's hope she continues to make progress.
Who knows? Something might break soon.
I hope so too. Really hope so. Anyway, let me go freshen up. I'll be with you soon.
Good. Why don't you come to the club with me? Relax, ease off the tension, you know?
Daddy, I like that. I'll do that. Let me just freshen up. Good.
Doctor, please, what is her present condition?
Well, she's a little bit in shock. Will soon come around. Okay?
All right.
I would like to have a word between my office.
No problems, please. After you.
Yeah, like I said earlier, she developed amnesia. But she still has chances of recovery. We'll try our best. You don't need to worry, okay? She'll recover.
Who are you? Where am I?
My name is Philip Williams, and you're in a hospital.
What am I doing here?
Actually, you had an accident. My car knocked you down, and I brought you here for treatment. But don't worry, you're fine now. Trust me, you're okay.
An accident?
Yes. What is your name?
My name? I can't. I don't know. I don't know my name.
It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down and get some rest. You're fine.
Thank God.
Doc.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Is Dr. Frank your doctor?
Yeah.
My doctor?
Doc, I don't know. From all indications, our condition is quite bad.
It will take some time.
Doctor, how long? How long?
It's okay. So how are you?
What do we do? For more than 2 months, we've not set our eyes on your missing sister. And the young man in police cell has refused to say anything. Perhaps something terrible has happened. Something like that.
No, Papa. I don't think he can harm her to that extent. No, he can't. I am sure he's hiding her somewhere far away.
Yes. Whatever is the situation, I want to see my daughter. Oh God, why should we allow this to befall us?
Papa, calm down. I am sure that he's going to confess soon. Very soon, I am positive that he's going to confess. Because look at him and look at jail. So he definitely has no choice but to confess. But again, if he doesn't confess, Papa, I will squeeze life out of him. I promise you that.
God forbid. God forbid.
Yeah, as you can see, Mr. William, there is nothing more we can do to her case. What she needs now is the services of a psychologist who will carry her along psychologically and then her medication. Okay?
Doctor, I understand that her condition is unpredictable in most cases, but do you think otherwise?
You've said it all, and you're right. You see, amnesia at times could last for a period, after which the victim regains memory. In some cases, it might degenerate to insanity. Like I said earlier, what she needs is the help of a psychologist, or maybe relating back to her old friends and her family members.
Okay.
But unfortunately, you've not been able to locate them.
At all?
Yeah. But then, Mr. William, I know you can be of help to her. You can help her come out of this. You are the only person she knows now, the only person she relates with, the only person she understands. You can help her.
Yes.
Yes, you can help her, I know. You can help her.
Good day, Dad. The lady at the hospital, Dad.
Good day, sir.
Meet my father, Engineer William Baraku.
You're welcome, young lady. My son told me everything about you.
Dad, she'll be staying with us for a while.
Why don't you take her in and come and meet me here? I want to have a word with you.
And I'm here.
Philip, I don't like the idea of this. would you bring a stranger into my house to live without my consent?
Dad, I'm sorry I never informed you earlier, but it's due to the urgency. Dad, I don't want you to see her as a stranger. Rather, look at her as a victim of circumstance, which your son is the cause. Dad, that poor girl lost her memory because of me, because of my carelessness, and right now the least I can do is at least help her recover, and as soon as she does that, she'll be going back home. I mean, she can't continue staying in the hospital, Dad.
You have done enough, son. Doing this may be getting things too far.
Daddy, no price is exorbitant to pay to save a life. The life of a helpless poor girl. Dad, you taught me to be philanthropic in life. Can I at least put it to use, please?
Son, not in this instance. It is capable of being misinterpreted. Look, it can be most embarrassing if her family found out that she's staying with us in this house. We could be accused of abduction.
Well, Dad, I've considered all that. And right now, I think the most important thing is to save her life. Dad, I want you to understand that helping that girl, that poor girl, will free my conscience and also give me the opportunity to practice a dream course I studied in the university.
Son, you have never let me down. And for that singular reason, I give my consent. But don't let me down.
I will not do that, sir. Promise. Please. So, welcome once again to my abode. I want you to know that I'll do anything at all to make you comfortable. This is your room. Hope you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, feel free, relax, make yourself comfortable while I go and freshen up.
Thank you.
And just in case you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. Okay?
Thank you. want?
Nothing actually. I got you some stuff. Do you like them?
They're beautiful. But there are other things I need to think about. I can't remember anything.
Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. You'll be fine. So, how are you doing, my dear?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Oh, please. Just address me as Philip. Okay? Alright, so, tell me. What have you remembered this time?
Nothing.
Okay, why don't I start by giving you a name? What do you think? Oh, please, of course I know you can remember. I'll give you my own name. Okay? I love flowers a lot. Yeah. And I'll call you Rose. Rose is the most precious flower in the world. Yeah. You like it?
Yes.
I like that. I want to show you something. So, can you tell me anything about the picture?
I can't explain.
Look, you just have to try. Try. That's the only way you can help yourself right now.
I see a couple. Holding hands. Very close. I hear voices. Laughter. I can't remember anything.
Look, try harder. Try.
I can't.
Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. Just try and relate to me anytime you remember anything else. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. I'll see you.
Okay, how are you?
Fine.
You're welcome. Yes, we've done everything possible to make sure he confesses. But all to no avail. In fact, we are beginning to believe he might be innocent.
No. I know that guy very well. Don't mind whatever he says to you in defense. He's dangerous.
Even the area commander is beginning to believe so. He has ordered for his immediate release.
What?
Yes.
How could he do that?
Order from above. I'm sorry, I have this material to submit. I'll see you some other time. Sorry, please. After you.
Hi. Can I sit?
Yeah.
So, have you been able to remember anything else?
No.
Look, you have to try harder. You just have to try. See, the ability to gather these memories together will enhance your chances of recovery. So you just have to try.
I saw pictures last night, but I couldn't grab the memory. It was like a flash coming in and out. I also heard voices traveling through my mind. That's all.
Well, I'm glad to hear this. At least shows you're making progress. But you really have to keep trying. Don't stop. Alright? We'll be going to the hospital in the next 1 hour. So I'd like you to get ready. Okay?
I feel guilty making you go through this hell. I could feel your fears and the tears in your heart. I can feel your agony. I have to go and tell them the truth. I have to tell them I'm guilty of the crime. You don't have to lie just to save me. You're endangering your life.
Please. Do not tell anyone the truth. Let it be between you and I. Anyway, nobody will believe you. Chejin already told the Elders Council that I'm responsible. You did it to save my life. Let it be my own price.
The price is too much for anyone to pay. Okoronta, it's my mistake. Let me bear the cross.
It's not your fault. Don't blame it on ourselves, not the love we share. Let's just say it's fate. My only fear is that the Waziri case do not want this matter to be settled amicably. I wonder why they want me to go through hell over this matter. Well, no matter how stormy the end may be, let this be my own. Let it just be a persecution of love. It's my persecution for loving you.
You have a golden heart, my love. I want to assure you that no matter what comes out of this, I will be with you all the way, till the end.
I hate to see you go through tribulations for my sake.
I have not gone through anything compared to the sacrifice you made for me. It's hard to imagine you paid such an exorbitant price just to save me. Honestly, I wish there was something I could do just to repay.
No, you don't have to pay me back. Have you forgotten we are one? What I do for love.
Now, Okoronta. Look, I can feel the pains in your heart. Eh? God knows best. Maybe it's for your own interest. You never can tell.
Amma, she's a part of my soul. It's so difficult to live without her. It's difficult.
Look, no amount of tears will bring her back. Huh? You should even be thanking God for saving you from the hands of the police.
I love her. And I love her so much.
Love her so much. What kind of love is that? Is it not the same love that sent you to the prison? Huh? My friend Tetanola, wake up! Wake up! Love. Nonsense love. Love balok.
Like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, you've been at home all day. Why don't we go to the gym and you can meet people and exercise your mind?
Okay.
All right.
How is your patient responding to practicals?
Oh, impressive then. It's quite impressive.
Little wonder you're growing fonder of her every day.
That I'm lost.
The attention, the constant attention you give her, leaves you time for nothing else. Not even me, your father. I hardly see you nowadays. You are always with her.
Daddy, it is part of my job. It's part of my job. Look, I want an excellent result. Daddy, don't look at me like this now, please. Please, Dad. I want an excellent result at the end of the day, and you know me. I'm always committed to my job.
No doubt. No doubt. It's just that Princess will be most surprised to see you as such a wonderful companion.
Dad, please, I don't want to talk about Princess now.
You can't avoid it. Drink up. We have a lunch date with your Kafos, remember?
careful. Oh, rather, I almost forgot. All right, let me just finish up my drink and we'll go. Oh, right. Princess, you never told me you were coming.
Now do I have to ring a bell to announce a visit to my husband to this house? Who is this lady, Philip?
My dear wife-to-be, when are you going to learn manners? When?
That hasn't answered my question, Philip. Who is this woman and what is she doing here?
Well, if it might interest you, she's my friend.
Your friend? Philip, you have the guts to bring a lady into this house in the name of friendship.
Shut up! Hey! Just hold it there. Princess, the next time you talk to her like that, I repeat, if you talk to her like that again, I will teach you some manners.
Ooh, I'm shaking. Why don't you start right now?
Princess, are you daring me? No, wait. Are you daring me?
You must tell me who she is right now.
Alright, I'm not telling you anything.
Then nobody step in an inch. You must tell me. And right now you must tell me.
Rose, go to your room.
You dare not move an inch.
What is going on here?
Daddy.
Why were you so violent?
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to be rude. It's only he refused to introduce the lady properly to me.
Dad, please, let her learn some manners. I mean, she's being too possessive and I don't like it. She's a woman, you know.
It's alright. It's alright. One thing is that you are both seen reason. And the princess now knows who Rose really is. But princess, you should be more patient. I think you should apologize to your husband-to-be.
I'm sorry, darling.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Okoronta, you may have been very lucky to have been released from the police nets. But let me assure you that it's not over with us yet. I'll come after you until the day you confess of my sister's whereabouts. That is it.
Emenike, I am waiting. I am waiting.
If only you know how much I hate the breath that comes out of your mouth. It stinks like that.
If only I can slice your head off.
You're still talking. Do whatever. Have the freedom while it lasts. I'll be coming after you.
You idiot.
Okay. Get yourself out of my car or else I'll break your neck.
You idiot.
Okay. That's it.
Emenike, you idiot. You're an idiot. 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 Waka. Gonna fire you there. Idiot.
Yeah, so at least By the time we're through the hospital, then we can...
Hey, Philip! Philip, where are you going?
Princess, don't start, please. I told you I'll be taking Rose to the hospital for injection.
Philip. Philip, you know we have a program for the next hour.
Princess, let's postpone it, please.
We cannot, Philip. I knew that is what you were going to say. How could you? Philip, what has come over you? These days, you really pay attention to me. You follow that girl like a dummy. I mean, like you cannot survive a second without her. What has come over you, Philip? You're giving me room to suspect there's something going on between you two that meets my eyes.
Oh. Alright. At least you've made your judgment, right? Suit yourself.
Philip, I'm not going to take this, Philip. I'm not going to take it. Jesus, that bitch is just stuck on my toes.
Doesn't like me.
Princess?
Yes.
Oh, please. Of course she likes you. Everybody likes you. It's just that, you know, as humans, we tend to get angry sometimes. Probably because we're not perfect. Doesn't mean she doesn't like you, okay? I know she does.
I don't want to cause any problem between both of you.
Rose, you're not causing any problems for us, okay? Stop thinking like that. You know what? After your injections, I'll take you out for some sightseeing. You know you like it. Rose. Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. Quite a lonely day, right?
Not really.
Don't worry. I'm about to change that. I got you something. So, you like it?
Yeah, thank you.
Think so?
Yes.
There are things you're yet to know about love. Okay? Princess, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Princess, come on, let's... Princess, please. Why are you crying now?
Please, just leave me. You already know why I'm crying. You already know why I'm crying, Philip.
Look, Princess, if it's about Rose, you don't have anything to cry about. Please. Rose is my patient, okay? As soon as she recovers, she'll be going home and... Please.
Philip, you don't understand. You don't understand how how it feels. To know that a man you love with all your heart is abandoning you for someone else.
Princess, I am not abandoning you, and I will not abandon you. Try and be reasonable.
There's nothing to be reasonable about here, Philip. There's nothing. All I know is that you're leaving me for a total stranger, and that is so unacceptable to me, Philip. That is so
Baby, please. Please.
Do you know that I love you? Philip, do you know how much I love you? Do you know? Do you know?
You decide.
No, you decide.
No, you decide.
I mean, it's been my opinion all the time, so at least let me hear from you.
Some other time.
All right. Her beauty is so enchanting. The fire in her eyes could light any man's heart. She's so calm and lovely, and her brilliance could not be hidden by her psychological disability. She's the kind of woman I've always desired. Oh, no, Philip. You can't start nurturing these thoughts in your mind now. It could lead to a drastic result.
What?
Nothing.
Why are you staring at me?
I wasn't staring at you. I was actually, I was admiring the scene. Your beautiful scene. Right behind you.
Is that the flip over there? Jesus Christ. Lucy, that is Philip.
What's wrong with you?
What have I done? What have I done to Philip?
And you're beautiful too.
It's just that I'm scared that...
No need to. You'll be all right, huh? Yes. So wipe your tears, my dear. You'll be all right. Philip? Yes, sir. I want to have a word with you, my dear. Can you give us a minute? Philip, you have no justification treating her in such a cruel manner. Do you understand the stress she's going through due to the lackluster way in which you have treated her? Look, Philip, you must apologize to her.
Daddy, I don't owe her any apology whatsoever. If she's not comfortable with what I do, the door is open. Let her go back to her opulent parents.
Don't be rude. Don't be rude! Have you forgotten that you are taking her to the altar soon?
Daddy, how else am I going to explain this? I don't love her! Daddy, can't you understand me? I don't love her!
Oh, so you will rather love a total stranger whose background is not known?
Dad, Rose is out of the question. The truth remains, I don't love her. I'm only doing this because of you.
Then try harder. Then you will see how much she loves you.
Excuse me, Dad. is it? I heard you scream.
I just had a dream.
A dream?
I'm so scared.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Calm down, please. Calm down. Okay. So, what was the dream about?
I was running and some people were chasing after me. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so
Don't
scared.
worry. It's okay. It's alright.
So
It's
scared.
alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Wonder, Shaman. So this is part of your job too?
Look, can you just give me a break in this house? Eh? Can't you just let me be?
Philip, I cannot let you be. Not until you tell me what you're doing, calling this bitch in your arms.
For Christ's sake! For God's sake! I have told you time without number. I am not answerable to you when whatever I do in this house. Can you get that? And let me warn you. The next time you talk to her like that, you will regret ever knowing me.
Philip, this girl here, she's nothing but a cheap slut. And you're nothing but a shameless ego.
How dare you? How dare you!
What can you do? What can you do, Mr. Casanova?
You want to see what I can do?
And you, this girl, by the time I finish with you, by the time I lay my hands on you, you know something is missing here.
Hey.
You will so be sorry. Hey. You won't even be alive to tell the story. I promise you.
Hey, just wait. You want to see what I can do, right?
But I told you that already. What can you do? That I stay with you under this roof and what you do is cheat on me every day with this bitch. Philip, you're gonna be Get out! You're gonna be so sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay? See, please, it's okay. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's alright.
I'm leaving. You can have her all to yourself now, Philip. Philip, I loved you. I've always loved you right from when we were kids. I gave you everything. But you never appreciated it. You never returned that love back. Each time I look at you, I see love in your eyes, but that love is not for me. That love is for her, Philip. Anyway, I wish both of you good luck, okay? Goodbye, Philip.
Princess, kid.
Philip, how could you have treated her in such an awful manner? You sent her out of this house.
Daddy, I did not send her out. We had an ugly incident. Fine, she decided to leave.
What difference does it make? If you had not hit her because of Rose, she wouldn't have gone out. What's come over you? Why have you resolved to behave like a beast in human form? Since you brought that girl into this house, your attitude about everything has changed.
Daddy, please. Rose has nothing to do with this, okay? Rose has nothing to do with it. I mean, Princess got me angry and I reacted. Rose has nothing to do with it.
Rose has everything to do with it. And I think it is high time I changed my mind about her.
Daddy, why are you doing this? Why? Why are you blaming an innocent girl for something she knows nothing about? Why, Dad?
Princess is the daughter of my best friend and your fiancé. That girl is a total stranger. Do you realize that your actions are capable of jeopardizing my interest with Chief Okafor?
Daddy, that's exactly the point. That is the point. You're not even concerned about me. All you're concerned about is Chief Okafor or whatever. You don't care about me, Dad. I don't love her!
She's alive.
Hey! Okorota! Are you alright? Huh? I heard you scream.
It was just a dream.
Dream? About that same girl again, Olama? The problem with you is that you worry your head too much. You worry your head about her. Eh? The earlier you wake up from your illusions, the better. Better for you, better for me, better for everybody, all of us. This girl is probably dead by now.
Actually, I brought you here because I've come to realize how much you love nature. And it's good for you. Trust me. Trust me, it's good for you.
Thank you.
So, would you like to go?
Yes.
Or you still want to play?
No.
Sure? Yeah. All right.
So, let's make a toast to us. Especially for the joy you've brought to my life. Toast.
Toast. So, how?
Honestly, you mean everything to me. You're like a sister to me. You're like a mother to me. Everything.
How?
My mom died when I was a child, an infant. I grew up without knowing my mom.
Sorry. Accept my sympathy.
My father told me she died in a fatal accident. And you know, most times I try to see if I can feel her, you know, but the only way I can do that is through her pictures. Rose, my life is sorrowful. I mean it, my life is so lonely. My life is so dark. You know, it's been so hard for me until you came into my life. You brought so much joy and love into my life. You brought light into my dark world. Although I don't know how to thank you. Allow me to thank you in my own way. Please.
Okay.
Rose, if you find me worthy to be in your life, worthy to spend the rest of your days with you, worthy to share your world with you, then please accept this from me.
What am I supposed to do?
Don't do anything. Just say yes. Say yes by offering your hand. Please.
Insane. Do you understand the implication of what you're saying? You want to marry a woman who's mentally limited? You don't know who she is? You don't know anything about her background?
Dad, it is true I don't know anything about her background, but I know her. Dad, I know her. Dad, Rose is my missing rib. I love her so much, Dad. I've tried to explain this to you. I love her. Dad, please. The best thing you can do for me right now is to give us your blessing. Dad, you know how much I've longed for a day like this when I'll have my own family. And I believe that this is the time that God has ordained for me.
Psychologist, I think you two need psychiatric treatment because you're talking like a madman. She must have infected you with her madness. Otherwise, How could you say you want to marry a woman? The danger of her presence here is not yet resolved. How could you? I have always looked forward to the day when you will take a woman to the altar for a wife. Oh, it will be my proudest day. But not this one! Not this one! I will never give my consent, and that is final.
Dad! Dad! All my life I've been obedient to you, Dad. Not even for once. Not once have I disobeyed you. But I'm sorry, Dad. This time I will. I am going to marry Rose with or without your blessing!
How dare you!
Dad, you hate me.
Young lady, I'd like to have a word with you.
Sir.
When you came into my house, I welcomed you from my heart. You ate my food, drank my water. But why? Why do you pay me in wickedness?
I don't understand, sir.
You don't understand. Your relationship with my son and your plans to get married has set my family on fire. You are the reason I raised my hand against my son for the first time since he became a man. You are the reason why my house is on fire. In a nutshell, my son will not marry you. I will not let my son marry a woman in your state. So, go leave my son alone. You have destroyed his relationship with his wife-to-be, but you will not destroy ours. If it is money you want or anything, I'll give you. But leave my son alone. Don't let me repeat this, or else the door is open. Go back to wherever you come from.
What did you say to Rose?
The truth, of course.
What truth, Dad?
That the marriage will not work. And that she wreaks havoc in once a peaceful home.
Daddy, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, Dad? Why? How could you be so callous? Oh, Dad, how could you tell that poor girl such things? Don't you know it could impede her chances of recovery? Why?
Life is bittersweet, and we must learn and understand how to live life.
Dad, the reality is that I'm going to marry Rose, but you cannot stop me.
It can never happen, because right at this moment, she's leaving my house.
If Rose leaves, I leave. Accept her, Dad, or lose me. The choice is yours. I'm sorry about the way my father reacted. Please. Baby. Please. I spoke to him and I'm sure things are fine now. Please.
Are you promising?
I promise. Don't cry again. Please.
I don't want to put you in any kind of trouble.
You're not putting me in any kind of trouble. Alright? Come on, Joe. It's okay. It's okay. Please don't cry again. Okay? I love you. It's okay. It's alright. Let me take you somewhere nice where we can chill out. Fine?
Move it. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Go. Move. Follow. Don't waste time. Follow. Wait. Come over here. Go. Let's go. Hit it.
He seems to be consumed by her charm. Oh, I can feel the burning passion in their eyes. God, how do I stop him now? I know my son. He will never retreat no matter the circumstances until he has satisfied his desires. He has made up his mind, apparently. Any other attempt to end this relationship will only make the situation worse. I might even lose him. And that I cannot cannot afford. Oh God. This is difficult for me. I'd rather let them be than lose him. Yes. Since they seem to love each other.
Good evening, Doctor. Doctor, please help me save his life. You see, he's the only one I have.
I have told you your son is going to be fine. There is no need shedding tears. We should actually be grateful to God for sparing his life. I wonder what would have become of him if not for the kind intervention of that young man who brought him here. I think what we should concentrate on now is on how to make him get stronger, right?
Please, help me save his life. Do your best to save his life. You see, he's the only thing I have in this world. Madam, nobody else.
Like I told you before, I will.
Okay, thank you.
I actually heard you were here, so that's actually the reason I came. To inform you that we would need an initial deposit of 20,000 naira to commence treatment on him.
20,000.
Yes, madam.
Okay. I'll do my very best to raise the money.
Please try, it's very important.
Okay. Okay, Doctor.
Please.
Okay, thank you.
And madam,
Yes.
please, the earlier the better. Please, I'll see you later.
Okay.
You guys make such a drastic mistake. Yeah? It gives the impression that you guys are just a bunch of cowards parading yourself as professionals. I mean, considering the amount of money that I paid.
Enough! Mistake is part of life. And nobody's above it. So, stop all this shouting, screaming, and barking like a mad dog, and let's find a solution to it.
Listen, all I want is that guy's obituary, and I want it soon. Come on!
Emenike, that is our business, not yours. Moreover, we want him dead too, because he has seen our faces. You know how bad the situation could be, don't you?
Look, listen, whatever, I mean, whenever and however you want to do it, all I want is a job to be done, and it should be done well. I want that guy's blood in compensation to that of my sisters. That's all.
Emenike, leave that to us.
It's a deal.
Rose, it's your day. A day every woman looks forward to. I expect you to be happier than this. Cheer up, girl. Okay? Please?
Rose, please cheer up, okay? Huh?
Yes, madam. How is it doing?
So.
Well, madam.
Welcome.
Madam, this is Inspector Ken. He came in respect of the attack on your son.
Yeah. Inspector, your face looks familiar.
Yeah, yours looks familiar as well. I remember. I arrested your son 2 months ago in connection with one missing girl.
Oh, okay. I remember now. Thank you for everything you did for me that time.
It's okay. How are you?
God bless you. I'm fine.
How is he?
So.
Well, I came to have a chat with him. But I can see he is still in coma.
Yes.
I'll give him some time. I'll call back later. Doctor.
Yes, Inspector.
As you can see, I can't talk with him now.
It's serious.
You do me a favor. Once he gains consciousness, please call me.
I will definitely do that.
Thank you.
Thanks for calling. All right. Thank you.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
God
day.
bless you.
Well, madam, I'm afraid we have to stop treatment since you've not been able to come up with the money.
Doctor, please don't do this to me now. Huh? I'm trying to raise the money. I've been running around. I'll bring it. I'll still bring it.
It is not as if I don't understand your situation, but my hands are tied here. See, I've already gone out of my way to commence treatment on him without any payment. This is a government hospital, you know, and I don't want to lose my job.
Yes, I know. I understand.
I'd like you to try, do your best and come up with the
Just give me a little more time.
Yes, I'll give you 2 days grace, after which I'll have to discharge him if you don't come up with the amount. Please try your best.
I'll bring it.
And one other thing, madam. I think you need to go home and have some rest.
Okay.
Please, you need it.
I will go.
Please.
I'll go home later. Huh? Thank you.
I'll be in my office.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
God bless you.
Bless you.
Not ready? I hope they know that we have to get to the church before 10 o'clock.
Oh yeah, Dad, we're actually set. Just the ladies now. I'll just go and check.
I think you better go.
Let's keep it.
No, women.
Over there. Where is Rose?
Isn't she downstairs?
No.
Where would she be then? We went outside to pack some things into the car. But by the time I got back into the room, she was gone.
Then where is she then?
I don't know.
Alright. Rose! Rose! Did anybody see Rose? No.
Well, maybe she's upstairs.
I'm just coming from there. She's not there.
Maybe she's with the guests outside.
I don't know. Even the bridesmaid said she didn't see her.
James, go and check outside.
Alright, sir.
And then remember that we haven't got much time.
I found this note.
Philip, sorry for the heartbreak on a day like this. Sorry for all the trouble I have caused your family.
Is it from her?
I've gone back to where I belong. Don't bother searching for me. Please, put everything about me behind you and move on with your life. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Rose.
Really? Really? Really?
Oh my God.
Where you go since? We don't define you.
Me? Was I missing?
Even they don't televise you for television self.
Television? Where's Emenike, my brother?
In travel go village.
Mr. Winner, I hope no problem. Please, did Rose visit you? Not at all, why? You mean she did not come here? Rose? No. Any problem? What's the matter? Tell me. No. Don't worry, I'll see you.
Sai, I don't know what else to do. Is there nothing you can do for me? Eh? Look, you're my last hope. I've been to virtually everybody I know. They all said that they don't have any money, that they can't help me. Sai, look, he's dying. I know I saw him. He's dying. You see, the doctor said that if I don't bring this money at the end of today, that he's going to stop treatment. Please, I don't know what else to do. Oh, who else to help? Help me. Help me.
It's okay, Mama.
See, Mama, I would have loved to help. But look at my shop. My business is going down, Mama. I can hardly feed myself. I don't know what to do.
So, what do I do now? Huh? My son is dying now. He's dying. My son is dying. He's dying. Say, my son is dying. He's dying. I don't know. What do I do?
Stop crying. He won't die, Mama.
He will die, oh, he will die.
He won't die.
My son will die.
He won't die.
What do I do, sir? I'm finished.
Listen, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to lock down my shop now. Go into the village. See if I can raise money from anybody. If it requires borrowing, I will borrow. If it requires selling, I will sell whatever. Just don't cry. I don't want to see you cry. Please, Mama, just wait here. Wait here. I will lock up my shop. Just wait.
Philip, you have shed so much tears. They won't bring her back.
Dad, I wish they could. I wish my tears can just bring Rose back to me, Dad. Dad, I love Rose. I love Rose so much. Living without her, it would be meaningless.
Don't say that. I am still here.
Dad, Rose is the best gift that God has given to me. Why should I lose her now? Why?
Maybe she doesn't belong to you. Why don't you put her behind, like she suggested? Life is the answer to everything. What else is life? There is the hope of finding your missing rib with all the virtues of Rose and even more.
Dad, I will wait and I will search for Rose until I find her.
Philip, Rose belongs to another man now. You can never have her. By the way, there is a secret I've been keeping from you all this while.
A secret, Dad?
Yes. I said to myself, I will tell you when you become a man. And tonight, I saw in you the heart of a man. I saw in you the soul of a man, for accepting the greatest challenge of manhood, of having your own family. Philip, I owe you an apology. And please, promise me that you will forgive me for what I am going to confess, whatever it is.
I promise he will surely pay with his blood this time. He will.
I wonder how Kurunta could go to the extent of killing a woman for whom she has suffered so much.
Papa, that boy is very wicked. He's as wicked as his late father.
I agree with you, my son. Because it's the same wicked blood that runs through all their veins. Huh?
Tell me it's not a dream.
Papa. Oh.
Olama, we thought you were dead.
Brother, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive.
Chineke, I thank you. Lord, I thank you. Oh my God.
Lama, consider all you've gone through. God just decided to save you.
Papa, it is indeed a miracle that after we thought that my sister was dead, here she is with us, flesh and blood. Father, we thank you.
Papa, Phil deserves all the thanks.
Philip, that man is God sent.
Papa, I agree with you. I agree with
He's
you.
God sent.
Yes. And Papa, I think we need to visit him to show our appreciation.
Papa, I need to go and see someone now.
What?
It is very important,
No.
Papa.
It's too early.
Papa, it is very
No.
important.
Just wait and relax.
I'm sorry, I need to go and see someone. I'll soon be back. It's very important. I'm sorry. I'll soon be back.
Papa, what a kilo at the
Are you sure she's healthy?
She is, but just that she's still the same Olama.
She's still the same old person.
Now that Sai's effort has failed, and all my efforts have failed me, who do I go to now? Where do I go to? God, where are you? Where do I go? What do I do? Where do I go?
Mama. Mama.
Olama.
Mama.
You're dead.
It is me, Olama. Mama.
They said you are dead, though.
Mama, I am alive. It's a long story, Mama. Please, where's Okoronta?
Okoronta?
So Okoronta is innocent after all. God, how can I shed an innocent blood? But it is too late to stop Ejike and Cowboy now. They must have been on the move. Well, I'll try and stop them. But if I don't succeed, let it be the price Okoronta will pay for the troubles he has caused me in the past. Yes.
Papa.
Brother, please. I need your help financially, please.
How?
I need it to save someone's life.
Whose life are you saving?
Let's talk about that later, please. Just give 20,000 naira.
20 what? I hope it's not Okoronta. Because I heard he's in the hospital.
Can we talk about that later? I just need the money. Are you giving me or not?
Anyway, I've exhausted what I came back with. Except when I go back to the city.
Who is that? Oh, madam. Take it to the police. I can assure you. Madam, come in.
What is going on?
Everything is under control, madam. Take it to the police. Please. Don't shoot us. Don't shoot us, please. Don't shoot us, please. Please, let me confess, please. Let me confess. We were sent by one medical man. Shut up. Please, don't shoot us, please.
Where is this man now? Can you take us to him?
Yes, of course, I will take you to him, please.
Take them out.
No.
Are you okay?
Where have you been?
This way. We can settle this. Officer, we can settle this. Get inside. My friend, get inside. Look. Get inside.
I looked for you. They said you were dead. I mourned you day and night.
I'm alive. I'm here to wipe your tears away. I'm here to stay with you, never to part again.
Hold me. Family.
Are you okay?
Don't ever leave me.
I will never leave you ever again. It's good to see you smile again. I lived without a mind. My life was like a shadow in the dark. I was almost insane. But I thank God I found life again. I feel like I'm recreated.
As long as I breathe, I'll never let you go again.
My dear, that your story was quite pathetic. And I believe that you still owe that young man an apology, okay?
It's so good to see your face.
Felicia. Felicia, please forgive me. I have come this far for your forgiveness.
Please get up. Get up.
Philip, this is your mother.
What?
Our son.
Philip.
Mother.
You've grown.
Can someone tell me what is happening here?
He's your father.
What? Yes.
But you told me my father is dead.
I'm sorry. I lied to you.
And him?
It's a long story.
Papa. Yes, my son. So I'll be back in 2 weeks' time, like I said.
Okay.
Please tell Olama to get her things ready.
I'll do that.
So that when I come, we'll be doing it.
Drive safely.
I'll wait, Papa.
What's going on?
You know this man?
Officer, whatever it is, I'm sure we can settle it.
You know them?
Mister, you're under arrest for attempted murder. Please.
My son has done nothing like that.
But can't we settle this in like gentlemen, please?
Get in. Get inside.
Yes, she's right. She was my wife. Oh, I can never forget the love we shared. Oh, we were so fond of each other. Oh, we were the envy of every friends or couples we met. Oh, we lived a wonderful life. A wonderful married life. But things took a dramatic turn when I lost my job. Our main source of livelihood. The little money I had saved did not last long. We had to retire, rely entirely on the little money your mother was making from her petty business. This time I had been drinking, and it got from bad to worse. Oh, I stole whatever I could in the house to buy drinks. Oh, I would go out to drink and not come back until after midnight.
Yes. Your father will come back drunk every day. And he will turn me into a punching bag. He will beat me and beat me without even looking at my teary eyes. One fateful day, he came back as usual drunk. And he beat me so much that I fainted. When I recovered, I made up my mind then that I was going to leave him with little Philip. Got him so mad. And
oh, I was so bad. I was so bad. I didn't even bat an eyelid when she decided to walk out of my life. All I could think of was my Philip. That Philip must not be taken away from me. That's how I kept you.
When I left, I went straight to my parents. My parents were mad because they didn't sanction the marriage in the first place. At any rate, they took me to the hospital. The same hospital where you found us. There they discovered I was badly wounded, broken rib, pains all over me. There I met one of the personnel and Mr. Kereke. After all the tests, they discovered that I was 6 weeks gone with a Corona that I was expecting. Yes. Mr. Kreke took care of us, looked after me until I had a Corona. We started an affair and one thing led to the other until we got married. When Okorota was born, he loved him so much. He took care of him as his own. So I decided not to tell him that he wasn't his father, because the man adopted him as his own. But before he was 1 year old, we lost him. He died. We still miss him though, because he was very, very kind to me.
Oh. One day, I woke up and I said to myself, no more drink. No more drink. Lo and behold, in a matter of weeks rather than months, things began to change. A company I had written and applied to months and months before suddenly wrote me offering me a job. The salary was very good. Oh, things began to return to normal. But I was always being nagged by the hideous way in which I allowed you to live. So I said to myself, I will go and see you, beg you, and bring you back. And when I got to your house, I was told that you had remarried. Oh God. I was devastated. Well, I couldn't let my son share in that sorrow. So I lied to him. I told him that his mother died in a motor accident. Now, I cannot continue to lie to him. I cannot keep him in the dark now that he's of age. He has a heart of his own and a mind of his own. That's why I want you to forgive me for everything that I've done. I want you to know how much I cherish you. I want you to understand what I have been through, living like a man without love. Oh, my dear. Please forgive me. Take me back. Take me back into your arms. Let me back into your arms. Let me back into your arms. And our passion, like flames of fire.
You know, you don't know how I feel. I feel happy. I mean, you don't know how it is to live without a brother, without a mother. I'm so happy. Welcome, bro.
Believe me.
Welcome home.
Believe me, it's so nice to know I have a brother somewhere out there. And thanks to our dad and mom. It's alright.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Rose. Olama. Olama, right?
Why?
Olama, cheer up. Okay? Cheer up. I'm sure that one day, I mean very soon, very, very soon, your brother will be out of jail and we'll all be a happy family once again.
Yeah.
Come on, cheer up.
Phil, honestly, if you ask me, I think you deserve Olama. You know, she's a good woman. You're a good man. She told me how the sacrifices and everything you put into giving her hope in her hopelessness. And for such efforts, I think you deserve Olama. I wish you good luck.
On the contrary, I think you deserve her more. Yes. I mean, considering all you passed through, everything, I mean, only a real man can go through all this. And you got to know her before me, so I think you deserve her.
Not to worry. Olama, the gift of God. She is responsible for this wonder union. Wow. She is brilliant, yet very humble. Oh, and she is equal to any challenges. I think she is in the best position to take a decision. Which of the brothers is left to you?
Every morning, every night, can't wait until the time I look in your eyes and hold you tight. Anytime that we're apart, I feel you deep in my heart. You're my shining star.